Hello everyone, today's menu is kimchi soup. Our ingredients are kimchi, pork, gochujang, tofu, onion, garlic, and enoki mushroom. First of all, we have to cut an onion down vertically. Then we cut half package of tofu. Then we have to add some oil on the hot pan. After that, stir fry the onion until it's becoming soft. Then add the sliced pork. Cook over medium heat until the pork turns to brown. Then add 250 grams of kimchi and cook the kimchi until it's soft. Add the 2 cloves of minced garlic. Add some soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of gochujang. Happily stir it well. Add 500 ml of water. When the soup boils, add some chicken powder, and you can add half teaspoon of sugar. Add some enoki mushroom. And add half package of tofu. Boil the pot for 5 more minutes. Now our kimchi soup is done. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.